So, our topic is all about graphing linear equation in two variables given any 2 points. Okay, our given is 2, negative 1 and 3, 2. So, we're going to plot the given 2 points using a Cartesian plane. Again, how to plot? Okay, step 1, you need to plot the first point. Okay, what are the steps on how to plot the given point using a Cartesian plane? Okay, step 1, from the origin, count the number of x unit. Based on the given, our x unit will be the abscissa or the first number. Okay, if the abscissa is positive, the direction is going to the right. If the abscissa is negative, the direction is going to the left. Again, what is the abscissa? Positive 2. Going to the right or going to the left? Okay, how many times? Okay, so we have 1, 2. Then our step 2 is, from the point on the x unit, count the number of y-coordinate naman. Ano yung y-coordinate? Okay, negative 1. So, if the ordinate is negative, the direction is downward. Kapag naman positive, upward. So, dahil negative 1, up, down. Okay, so therefore, this is the exact location of 2, negative 1. Okay, then step 2, plot the second point naman. So, same procedure ulit. Start at the origin. Okay. So, step 1. Okay, start at the origin. Then, count the number of x unit or what we call the abscissa. What is the abscissa? Okay, dahil positive, going to the right or going to the left? Okay, right. 1, 2, 3. And then, what is the ordinate? Positive 2, up, down. Up. 1, 2. Therefore, this is the exact location of 3, 2. Then after locating or identifying the exact location of the 2 points, our last step is connect the 2 points using a straight line. O, i-connect lang natin ng ganyan. So therefore, this is the graph of the given 2 points. Do you understand? Now, based on the graph, let us identify the slope. Okay, sino yung unang pinlat natin? Si 2, negative. Meaning, dito tayo mag-start, papunta tayo sa second point. How to find the slope? We need to use the ratio of, so we have rise over run. Okay, so this is the first point, tataas, bababa. Okay, bilang. 1, 2, 3. Dahil tumaas, what is the sign? Positive, negative. Okay, positive, 3. Then dito tayo, going to the right or going to the left? Right. Or bilang? Okay, positive, negative. Okay, so then simplify your answer. 3 divided by 1? 3. So therefore, the slope is what? 3. Do you understand? Let us try another example. Negative 2 and negative 5, positive 2. Again, step 1, we need to plot the first point, which is 4, negative 2. Start from the origin. Positive 4. Right, left. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 2, up, down. Down. 1, 2. Therefore, this is the location of the first point. Second point na tayo. Negative 5, 2. Saan ulit tayo mag-start? Sa origin lagi. Negative 5, right, left? Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, what is the ordinate? Positive 2, up, down. Up. 1, 2. Therefore, this is the exact location of negative 5, 2. Or after plotting the 2 points, what is the next step? Connect the 2 points using a straight line. Okay, so therefore, this is the graph of the given points. How to find the slope? Ano yung first point natin? 4, negative 2. So, dito tayo mag-start. Papunta tayo sa second point. Tataas or bababa? Okay, upward tayo. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dahil pataas, positive, negative. Okay, positive. And then, nandito na po tayo. Tama ba? Ay, dito pala. So, going to the right or going to the left? Left. Left. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Papunta sa kaliwa. Right, positive, negative? Positive, negative. Okay, therefore, what is the slope? 4 over negative 9. Do you understand? Okay, or si negative sign, pwede na natin dalhin sa gitna. Negative 4 over 9. Si negative, pwede sa taas yan, pwede sa gitna, pwede rin sa baba. Kasi ang pinag-uusapan ay as 1 na yan, fraction na po yan. So, any question about plotting of points?